Happy full moon, friends. All right, this full moon is called the snow moon, which is very interesting because in Ontario, certain parts we're supposed to have a snowstorm tonight. But also, this is in the sign of Leo. Let me know if you are a Leo. So this one is all about claiming who we are, stepping into the spotlight. Stop playing small. If you're not feeling that at the moment, and go with the ebbs and the flows. Full moons can be a little bit heavy sometimes on our energy field, and we can feel tired at times. The full moon is illuminating the shadow aspects within us. So there's a lot of transition that's happening. There's a lot of shifting. There's a lot of changing. There's a lot of insights that come in. And during that process, it takes time to alchemize that. So if you're not feeling all the good stuff just yet, that's fine. Take it easy. Allow this to be a day for you to just ebb and flow. Whatever you're feeling, go with it. If you feel tired, rest. If you feel like you need to clear out and heal some things, do that. If you feel that you have a burst of energy and inspiration coming through and insights, roll with that momentum and start working with it and using it. But allow this to be a day to ebb and flow and to just allow what comes in and to neutralize it, to take it in and roll with it, because it's going to bring you into your next chapter.